Hooray! You finally came! I'm very glad! On this video I will show all the buttons pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. I will give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos could save you much time because you mostly could skip through and start practicing right away. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel Machine Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.